you gonna ring in the new year? Do you know that it's January, or tomorrow is January 1st, 2015, the first day of the new year? Where are you gonna be? Where are you sleeping tonight? You don't feel like talking? Who are these animals next to you? Who's this? Who's that?
Blanchett.
Blanchett. And what are you eating?
Flamingos.
Okay. Anything else? You have anything else to say? What's your favorite song right now? You want to hear your favorite song? Want me to put it on the radio? Or did you like this music?
My favorite song is Manteca.
By? Who sings it?
Madonna.
That's right. Good choice. That was one of my favorite songs for a long time. Want to hear it right now? Okay. Do you like do you know who Mama's favorite musician is right now? Do you remember? I haven't asked you this in a long time, but you used to say it all the time. Mama's favorite musician? Jack White? Remember that? Yeah? And do you know what's Dada's favorite type of music?
Bluegrass.
Who's the president?
Obama.
That's right. What other things do you know? That's enough. I'm going to turn off the video. Do you have anything you want to say before I turn it off?
Oh, video.
What?
Oh, video.
I'm making a video right now. I'm making a video of you so that you can watch it. So what do you want to see yourself do? Monkey face? No? What else? Anything? I'm going to blow kisses?
And look at me screaming.
Oh, you like to watch yourself screaming?
Yeah.
Like what? Scream then. Because I'm making a video right now, so let's make a video of you screaming. Sounds good. What about doing lasso? No, that's not interesting. Just screaming and whining?
Yeah, because in the video.
You like to watch yourself scream?
Yeah. Yesterday.
Yesterday? No video we made this morning? Okay. All right, I'm going to turn it off.